भक्ति चैतन्य प्रभु वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं नंदनंदनं वंदे राधाकांतं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृंदावनमनोहरम् तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि नाजिवामि तया विना नीति निकाय ते राधे तम नयामि चरणान्विते शिरोमञ्जरीकरार्चितपादपद्मम् वष्ट्रङ्गनवदार्पितमस्तकाय हारमन्दवनगौरीपदारविन्दं सन्मयामि सनकैस्तव किङ्करीस्य श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द
Offer obeisances to Gurupada Padmantela Prishnupada Chotrasi Srimad Bhaktivedanta Shlovaman Goswami Maharaj and Shiksha Guru Sannyas Guru Nitala Prishnupada Ashtotra Sachi Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srinarayan Goswami Maharaj, his lotus feet I offer infinite Dandavat pranams, and then Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sachi Srimad Bhaktivedanta Shri Swami Maharaj Vaishnava Gaur Gadar Sajjan those who are here to listen Hari Katha. Everyone I offer my Dandavat pranams. Very, very blissful it is that we are under the guidance of Guru Pad Padma. We are sitting in his shelter, under the shelter of Gurudev, boundly by his mercy. We just did Braj Mandal Parikrama. After doing that, the place that we have gathered here is now. This is also Braj actually. This place is Ballabgarh. First, listen. What is the meaning of word Ballab? Like in Gulab Mantra, Gopal Mantra, Vallabhaya Swaha. We say this right? Vallabhaya Swaha. Vallabh, what is it? Devotee say Balaram. No. Vallabh means one who is very near and dear of the gopis, the beloved of gopis. That is called Vallabh, like Pranagal love gopis.
वल्लभ शब्द की अर्थ होता है
The word Vallabh means
अत्यंत प्रिय। और इस वल्लभ के क्या है? ये क्या है?
Vallabh means one is the beloved of the gopis.
क्या है?
This is the Gad, meaning the place of the beloved of gopis. What is the Gad means? Gad means
घर की स्थान है।
like a village place. So it is the place of the Vallabh, meaning the beloved of the gopis. So this is the
प्रेम की एक विशेष
special place of the prem of gopis.
जोर से ताली लगाएं।
Give a big round of applause here.
क्योंकि ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा के
Because this is the fruits of from Brajmandal Parikrama that now we got entrance to the place of the beloved of gopis, which is Vallabhgad. So second is this, that second all the devotees are here,
और विशेष करके हमारी माता
and especially our Mataji, her name
राजकुमार
Rajkumari,
इनके परिवार जो उनके है आपके बेटा के नाम
and your child's name Dharmendra Jindal and the Jindal family.
जितेंद्र जिंजल रेखा देवी दासी की जय है? राखी हाँ है? कविता कविता कौन है?
Who is Kavita? Good.
और प्रभु जी के नाम
Prabhuji's name
छुपे बैठे हुए
Where are you? Come in front.
खड़े हो जाओ।
Family members, please stand up. Don't raise your hand. Stand up.
क्या नाम बताया?
Very nice.
पवन प्रभु जी बोलो पवन प्रभु जी की
जय
प्रभु जी के नाम हाँ? घनश्याम।
Krishna.
जोर से ताली लगा।
हरिबो हरिबो
कोकिलावन में गए
We went to Koklavan, right?
सारे रात
Krishna all night
कोयल के सर से
in the sound of a cuckoo bird, was making cuckoo sounds, cuckoo.
और बीच बीच में दरवाजा
And in the middle,
खटखटाने
he was knocking the door.
कोयल कैसे
Cuckoo bird, how does the cuckoo bird make sound?
बताओ
What is the sound of cuckoo? Like this. Kuhu kuhu. Very beautiful sound like this.
उस समय राधा जी
At that time,
बोले कौन है
Srimati Radha said, "Who is knocking the door? Who is it?"
अब कृष्ण कहने लगे
Krishna said,
कौन हूँ
"Who am I?
घनश्याम
I'm Ghanashyam. Ghanashyam.
अर्थ है घनश्याम
Two meanings.
एक नाम है
Ghanashyam is name of Krishna.
अब घनश्याम
Ghanashyam also means
बादल पे घनश्याम
a cloud.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की है बहुत सुंदर है
Very nice. This is
पवन और घनश्याम
Pavan and Ghanashyam. Pavan means air.
आगे
And by air the cloud is coming. And it is raining in Vallabhgad.
बादल कहाँ हो रही है घनश्याम कहाँ पर आगे
Ghanashyam is where? In Vallabhgad. How he came? Through the medium of air.
और माता जी के नाम
And Mataji's name?
राजकुमारी और कहाँ बारिश हो रही है ये राजकुमारी कौन है
Where is it raining? On the top of house of Rajkumari. And who is that Rajkumari? Srimati Radhika.
जय राधे
Rajkumari means princess. And who is the princess actually? Srimati Radhika.
बहुत सुंदर
Very nice, beautiful family. This is for many years. I am coming here every year.
ब्रजमंडल
After Brajmandal Parikrama,
हम लोग यहाँ पर
we come here every year.
ये परिवार के साथ हमारी सुचित्रा देवी और
Suchitra Devi and all these families, they all are
जुड़े हुए
joint family.
परिवार ही शामिल
They all are in joint family. Good one. And what's the name? Kunjeshwari Didi. Where is she?
है ये सब पर कितने
All very beautiful family this is. And
नृत्य भी किया
Very beautiful dance they do. You saw or not?
आओ मेरी सखी
Oh, Sakhis, please come and put mehendi on henna. Decorate my hands with henna and decorate me as a bride of Sri Sham Sundar.
वास्तव ये कीर्तन इतने सुंदर
Very beautiful kirtan. This completely touches my heart.
हृदय के प्रश्न
It touches the heart. This is called sadhu sangha, associating with sadhu. Without sadhu sangha, knowledge does not come, and without knowledge, without Ram's mercy, you can never meet a sadhu. For this regard, if you don't have mercy of Ramchandra, you can never get satsanga. Understand?
देखो
Look,
तुलसीदास भी कहते
Tulsidas ji is also saying,
सत्संग में चलो
come in satsanga.
सत्संग में जाने से क्या होता
What will happen if you go in satsanga?
साधु संग होने से क्या होगा
What will happen if you do sadhu sangha?
करके दूसरी पैर
When you put your first step and then you put the second step, when you pick up the second step, when you put it,
बोले क्या बोलता है
what is it?
संतम
This slok is, if you walk towards meeting a sadhu devoid of ego, then each step you take is equal to trillions and trillions of fruits of fire sacrifices. Each step is equal to giving you fruits of the millions of sacrifices. When you go to meet a sadhu, if you're walking to meet a sadhu devoid of ego, each step that you take will give you the fruits of performing trillions of fire sacrifice.
मिलने के लिए
If to meet a sadhu,
हरि कथा के लिए
to listen Hari Katha when you are going,
और एक पैर रख के
when you put one step and then you lift up the second step, then you put down your second step, what happens?
मोदी जब
It is giving you fruits of equal to not one, quoting like uncountable trillions, zillions of fire sacrifices fruits you will get. But one thing is to be noted here. What is it? Devoid of ego. You have to walk devoid of ego. Everybody walks with ego, right? So we need to give up this ego. What is the ego?
मैं बड़े पंडित
That I am a high scholar.
आज
Understand?
मैं धनी
I am knowledgeable. I'm scholar. All these egos we have to give this up. Even you have to give up your bodily identity, bodily conception. See,
अभी सब विदेशी लोग
people from all around the world are here. Many countries. We live in India.
मंडल परिक्रमा जा नहीं पाते
We could not even go to the Braj. It is just 1 hour away.
परिक्रमा
It was 15 days parikrama. And see, people from all around the world, from America, they came from all around the world here. From USA, New York. Prabhuji, he's come from. Dr. Pandey,
ये लोग कहाँ से आए
he's coming from New York, USA. And see, USA, what's the name?
कृष्ण प्रेस और
Krishna Priya from Seattle. It's even on the corner, on the border of the Canada. And
साइबेरिया से
it's from Siberia devotees here. In Siberia, who is here? See, you can see her.
साइबेरिया नाम सुना है कि
Have you heard this country's name or not? Where is Siberia? In America? No, it's in Russia. It's so cold. What is the temperature in Siberia? Minus 40.
इतने ठंडी है
It's so cold. You can go.
माइनस
It is minus 40. Outside temperature. Minus 40. She has come from there.
कोई मायामी से आई है
Someone is here from Miami.
मायामी
Miami, see?
यू
And
वो भी मायामी
this brahmachari also from Miami. Someone from France is here. Someone from Holland is here.
से कौन कौन आए
Who is from Holland here? Pick up your hands.
अरे हाथ उठता नहीं है जो
Can you lift up your hand properly?
इंग्लैंड से यूके से
England, UK is here also.
निद्रा देवी
Indra Devi. Nindra.
जो हाथ
He said Nindra Devi. The presiding deities of sleep.
और भी देखो पृथ्वी के
He is from London. And from other corner of the world. From other corner of the world. There is just water and nothing else. She has come from
न्यूजीलैंड
New Zealand. Pick up your hand.
देखो न्यूजीलैंड से आई
New Zealand.
ब्राजील से आई
From Brazil.
कहाँ कहाँ से हम तो इंडिया में हम
We are in India, see?
ऐसे दूर देश
where people from all around the world are here.
और भी कहाँ से आई है?
And which other country?
बोलिविया से आई है।
Someone from Bolivia is also here.
इतनी दूर-दूर से लोग आए।
From so far away places are coming in your house. So today your house has become,
सारे ब्रह्मांड में, विश्व ब्रह्मांड में
people from all around the world are here in your house.
हरि लाल की जय
जय जय
श्री राधे
हरे कृष्ण बोलो। हाँ, ये लो, प्रसाद। क्यों आए हम?
Why have we come here?
हम लोग हरि कथा
To for Harikatha.
से करें संत मिलन
For this
के
regard,
चलिए,
Sant Milan ke chale tajo viman.
जो जो पग आगे धरे वो ठीक है। हम लोग समझ नहीं पाते।
We don't realize this.
दूर दूर से संत महात्मा
Sant Mahatma are coming from so far to our houses.
और ऐसे अभिमान
And
करके छोड़ करके जो हम
when we give up our ego and when we come close to Sant Mahatma, not one, zillions and zillions of fire sacrifice fruits you get. This is true.
इसकी कथा में एक छोटी सी कथा
I will tell one short katha.
आप लोग
Then,
बहुत समय से आप
for a lot of time, you all have been sitting here,
आप लोग भी क्या लग रहे हैं?
and you all must be very, very hungry also. And while being hungry, we cannot practice bhajan
भूखे भजन ना हमारे
without
ले ले तो ये कंठी माला
take this kanti mala.
भूख तो लग रही है कि नहीं लग रहा?
You are hungry or not?
भजन के लिए तैयार किया हमने माता
Every Mataji has prepared everything, delicious food, because she is princess, right? That's why she has prepared delicacies for us.
दफ्तर खा
Very delicious prasad is waiting for all of us. Don't worry at all. Just listen 2 minutes for me, then you eat.
आगे जाएंगे नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन में हम
Next destination we have to go.
वहाँ से भी
Then from there,
जैसे
from 4 p.m. Harikatha will start there.
इसलिए मैं अधिक समय
So I want, without taking a lot of time,
सुनिए
listen.
हरि बोल आप अपनी कथा
Why are you absorbed in your own talks? Listen to me.
अपनी कथा बाद में बताइए
Talk later. First, I will listen to you later. First, you listen to me.
एक समय की बात है
Once upon a time,
महाभारत की कथा सुनिए
Katha of Mahabharat.
हाँ, शाम के शुरू कर दो थोड़ा माने इको के शुरू करो इको के
चेंज द मोड
आप करो ना अरे ऑर्डर देंगे आप करो
Why are you ordering? You do it.
देखो एक समय
Yes,
की
so
बात है,
once upon a time,
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj, have you heard the name Yudhishthir?
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj,
कृष्ण के बोले
he said to Lord Krishna, Prabhu,
एक राजस्व यज्ञ करना
I want to do a Rajsu Yagya.
पहले बड़े 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 राजा लोग जो है
Big king, demigods, they were doing Rajsu Yagya.
हमें
In that fire sacrifice, big kings were invited.
और दान दक्षिणा पुण्य
And they used to give a lot of donations.
आदमी संत महात्मा लोग आदि
Sant Mahatma used to come
करा देते
and they were fed.
पुण्य आदि
A lot of punyas were
आइए कथा में
accumulated. So, let's get back to Harikatha. So, Yudhishthir Maharaj,
प्रार्थना करने लगे
he prayed to God, Prabhu,
मैं एक राजस्व यज्ञ
I want to do Rajsu Yagya.
भगवान भी प्रसन्न हुए
God became very happy. He said, good.
दृष्टि देखो
Yudhishthir, listen.
ये राजस्व यज्ञ करने के लिए
To do Rajsu Yagya,
तो 5 भाई है
you have brothers. But
कौरव जानी
Kauravas,
शासन
Duryodhan, Dushrasan, call to them also.
और सभी को जो है काम बांट देना
And assign responsibilities to everyone. So, as per the desire of God,
सभी के एक काम बांट दिया
everyone was assigned the duties.
बड़ी काम क्या है
What is the biggest duty? Tell me.
अभी तो बता ना भूखे
Just I told, without food you cannot do bhajan. So what we need? Food must be very, very important.
रसोई के काम कौन करेंगे
Who will cook? Bhim and Draupadi.
जैसे खाने वाला है
Bhim he likes to eat, and so as he likes to cook.
खाने वाला है मैंने गुरुदेव
Gurudev used to say,
अच्छे खाने वाला है तो अच्छा बनाते हैं
those who like to eat, those who are foodies, they cook nicely. Those who are not foodies, they don't know about taste. So how will they cook nicely?
भीम अच्छी
So Bhim is very nice chef and very nice eater also, very nice foodie. He's very, very fat, big body, eating a lot.
भीम भी अच्छी तरफ
So Bhim was also a excellent chef who knows how to cook. And
द्रौपदी भी
Draupadi also cooking. Draupadi is not ordinary. She is the
लक्ष्मी देवी भी कहा
incarnation of Lakshmi.
द्रौपदी के नाम आ गए
Name of Draupadi is like this. So
एक बार द्रौपदी भी सर्ग में
Draupadi in heaven,
लक्ष्मी होकर के भी
she came as Lakshmi. He did pastimes there.
और ये लक्ष्मी देवी जो है सब तो
And Lakshmi Devi,
हाथ रख देगी
wherever she put her hand, automatically money wealth will come.
बनाने वाले हैं
And Bhim is the cook.
रसोई कार्यक्रम में दो चले गए
So they both went to cook. Who?
द्रौपदी
Draupadi and Bhim.
अभी देखो बड़े बड़े राजा लोग आएंगे उनके भी आमंत्रण करके आराम से बैठाना
Now big kings will come, so we have to welcome them also.
उनके भी काम
For that, Arjun was given duty to welcome everyone.
नकुल सहदेव
Nakul and Sahadev,
जितने भी निमंत्रित लोग आएंगे
all the people, those who will come,
हम तो अनाहुत है
uninvited, invited, whoever will, invited, whoever will come,
आमंत्रित और अनिमंत्रित आएंगे जैसे भी लोग आ जाए
any kind of people who will come,
सम्मान आदि
everyone has to be welcomed with respect and everything.
और
And
रहा गया कौन
who is left?
नकुल नकुल रहा गया
Nakul. So Sahadev was given the responsibility. Nakul, the fifth brother, was left. He said, look,
महात्मा आएंगे
all the Sant Mahatma, those who will come, you arrange seat, place for them to sit and everything, asan for them. So at the end, one thing was left.
क्या बोले देखो
God said, look, all the Sant Mahatma, those will come.
मैं
God said, I will wash their lotus feet of all saints. God said.
स्वयं भगवान
God himself,
चरण धुलाए कि नहीं धुलाए
he washed the feet of whose?
अब बताओ
You tell me.
अरे सुदामा
Sudama, Vipra, the Brahman Sudama. When Sudama came,
ब्राह्मण जब द्वारिका में पहुंचे
when he arrived in Dwarka,
स्वयं कृष्ण ने क्या दी
Krishna, what did he do?
प्रति चरण धुलाए कि नहीं
He washed Sudama's feet or not?
प्यारी जिसे स्वयं कृष्ण बोले एक काम
Krishna said, this is mine, I will do this.
देखो समय
So-
और देखो दान दक्षिणा देना
For giving donations like this. For God, he said,
कृष्ण के राजकोष खोल दिया जाए किसके हाथ में
open the treasure and hand it to Duryodhan.
और दुशासन
Duryodhan and Dushasan.
दुशासन ताल
Duryodhan and Dushasan. They started to clap. They were like, so no bamboo, no flute. Meaning,
उन्हें युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj, all his money, wealth, all his treasure,
दान कर दे
we will donate everything. We will not even leave one penny in their vault. We will make him beggar.
बोले दुष्ट लोग है ना
Because they are bad, right? These people who are bad, they think like this.
दुष्ट बड़े पद दिया जाए दुष्ट लोग
Those who are rascal, they think like this.
लोग क्या करेगा अनिष्ट
So rascals always think about how to do bad.
देखो समय के अनुसार जो है
So as per time,
शुरू हो गया संत महात्मा
fire sacrifice started, big scholars came, big Sant Mahatmas came, high class Brahmans,
जो है
those who had knowledge of all Vedas, they came, and Udatto, all, with many pitches they were chanting the mantras and singing.
बैठे रहो
Yudhishthira Maharaj was sitting.
बड़े बड़े संत लोग
Big Sant Mahatmas were coming one by one, and everyone was welcomed. Then food was given, and everything was given. Big garlands were offered to them.
की सम्मान
Everyone was respected nicely and welcomed.
उस समय युधिष्ठिर महाराज
At that time, Yudhishthir Maharaj, he asked one question to God. Prabhu,
मेरे लिए जब मैं राष्ट्र जब
in
मैं
this
जो है,
fire sacrifice,
सफल हो गया
it is successful, it is perfect. How will I know if it is?
उस समय भगवान
At that time, God said, Yudhishthir Maharaj, listen,
जगतस्तरी पर एक
in this fire sacrifice,
घंटा लगा
put a bell of victory, like a big bell you put. So,
उत्सव
when your festival is perfect,
अपने आप
automatically this bell of victory will ring itself. Thun, 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 thun.
है? देखो
Then
विजय घंटा लगा दिया
they put up the bell on top, like this, on the roof.
देखो
So,
घंटा तो लगा हुआ है बड़े बड़े संत महात्मा आने लगे
so Mahatma were coming, and the big fire sacrifice was started. Kings were coming. Yudhishthir Maharaj,
दुर्योधन दुशासन
Duryodhan, Durnasan were donating so much, donating from the treasure of Yudhishthir.
संत महात्मा कहने लगे
Sant Mahatma said, I want one cloth.
और युधिष्ठिर
And
कितने
Duryodhan, he gave
10 कपड़ा
10 clothes.
उसे पता
10 times, but he did know
कोष से राज
that from the treasure vault, if he take out one cloth, then automatically 10 more manifesting in the treasure.
20 कपड़ा अपने आप आ जाए
If you give 10, then 20 are manifesting automatically, so it will never be empty. Duryodhan, Dushasan, they were giving more and more donations, and they were tired, and they were like, why is this not empty? And Sant Mahatma were saying, Jai Jai Yudhishthir Maharaj ki Jai.
ऐसे सुंदर भोजन
Very beautiful event was going on like this. Very delicious food was cooked.
प्रसन्न होते जा
Everyone was so happy. Everyone is singing Jai of Yudhishthir Maharaj. But Yudhishthir Maharaj is still worrying. Everyone is happy, but yet this bell of victory is not ringing yet. What's wrong? If this bell rings, then I will think my event is successful.
सफल हो गया, परफेक्ट हो गया कि नहीं हो? तो एक घंटा नहीं बजा। अभी क्या करें?
Everything is good, but this bell is not ringing.
अस्त होते जा रहे हैं।
So it was sunset time and
Almost done, goes down. अस्त होते जा रहे हैं।
the sun was going down.
जब अस्त हो जाए तो
And-
हो गया, घंटे क्या जगना?
And when when the evening will finish, the fire sacrifice will finish.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज से
Yudhishthir Maharaj was worrying and holding his head. He was thinking, everyone is glorifying me, everyone is happy, but yet this bell is not ringing. What's wrong?
तो भगवान गिर कर कहने लगे,
So he said to God,
हे प्रभु, हे दीन
Prabhu,
दयाल,
oh you the most merciful, you tell me,
घंटा क्यों नहीं बजा?
why is this bell not ringing?
सर्वंतर्यामी
God, he knows everything, so he told,
कहने लगे,
Krishna said, Yudhishthir,
अभी तुम्हारी ये जगन में जो एक संत
in your fire sacrifice, a Sant Mahatma has not participated yet. Which one? Sant Mahatma like who is sitting with us.
है? बोले कौन संत
Which Sant Mahatma? Where is he?
बोले भीम के भेजो,
Sent to Bhim.
गदा लेकर के चल पड़े।
Bhim with his mace, he started to search for him, and he found,
इधर उधर घूमते घूमते देखा,
he saw
गली पर
and a narrow lane
गली,
was there.
उस गली में एक संत महात्मा
And Sant Mahatma was sitting.
हाँ, और उसके सारे शरीर में क्या हो गया?
And all his body was itching.
राम राम।
He was standing Ram 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 and itching his body.
भीम जी जाकर के
Bhim ji
बोले,
went and said,
महात्मा जी,
Mahatma,
आप हमारे जन्म में भाग नहीं लिए।
why didn't you participate in our sacrifice? And he said, oh, fire sacrifice is going on. Where? No one invited me.
कोई तो निमंत्रण नहीं दिया।
No one has invited me.
भीम जी बोले, महाराज
Bhim said, Maharaj, please come. I invite you by my heart. Maybe our mistake. I apologize.
संत महात्मा बोले, देखो,
Sant Mahatma said,
मैं
look,
ऐसे तेरे तेरे संत महात्मा नहीं, घूमने वाले संत महात्मा नहीं हूँ।
I am not Sant Mahatma which is moving.
ऐसा नहीं।
I will not go Sant Mahatma here and there. Tulsidas is saying, Nari Mare.
और दुकान पाट सब ठप हो गया।
All business destroyed. Even wife died.
सन्यासी, जिसके
And one whose wife is dead, business has failed. Then they should take sannyas.
घर में कुछ नहीं है।
There is nothing in the house. Out of fear, what the people do? They shave their heads and take sannyas.
शादी में। तो उसी प्रकार कार्य संत महात्मा
So like
बोले,
this,
मैं
Sant Mahatma is saying,
नहीं,
I am not as ordinary Sant Mahatma.
मुझे जो बुलाते हैं ना,
Those who invite me, I go only.
मुझे चाहिए।
I need big donation, proper donation. Then I will go. Bhim Maharaj said, Sant Mahatma, don't worry.
हमारे राजकोष में
In our treasure, everything you have, you just enter treasure, whatever money, wealth, money, gold, everything you want, you take. You enter in the vault, treasure, and take whatever you want. Duryodhan Dushasana is there, and they are giving 10 times more donation. Whatever you want, you take.
आपको सब दिया जाए।
Everything will be given to you.
फिर संत
Don't worry. Sant Mahatma said,
दक्षिणा लेने वाला
I am not accepting donations easily. I don't take money, clothes. I don't want this.
मैं कपड़ा
Clothes,
पैसा
money, I don't take.
बोले कैसे संत है? कौन
What
सा
do you
पैसा
want?
लेने
What
वाला है?
donation do you want?
बोले
He said, I want
1000
1,000.
अश्वमेध यज्ञ की फल चाहिए।
I want the fruits of 1,000 horse fire sacrifice. Ashwamedh yagya. I want the fruits of doing that.
हाँ?
That is my donation. And you're like, what?
कहा गया,
And in scriptures it is said,
अश्व यज्ञ करने से
when you do 1,000 Rajasu yagya, it is equal to 1 Ashwamedh yagya.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
And he's saying, he's wanting 1,000, meaning we have to do the fire sacrifice around 100,000 times.
तब बन जाता है।
So, how is possible? I want this much fruits of doing 1,000 Ashwamedh yagya, he said.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज आइए, महाराज ये
He said, okay, you come.
है। बोले कहाँ से देंगे आपको?
How will you give donation? You are doing Rajsu Yagya for the first time. How will you give me the fruits? And that fire sacrifice is not even complete.
कहाँ से दे दो?
From where will you give me these fruits? Then Bhim, he came back.
भीम जी आकर के भगवान के कहने लगे, प्रभु संत महात्मा तो
He said
मिल
to
गए।
God, we found a saint, but that saint wants the
1000
fruits of 1,000 Ashwamedh Yagya's fruits he wants.
10,000
Meaning 10,000 Rajsu Yagya fruits he wants, but we are only doing one.
वो कपड़ा फपड़ा ये पैसा पैसा
He won't accept money, clothes, anything.
युधिष्ठिर
Maharaj.
भगवान कहने लगा, अच्छा,
God said, okay, Bhim, sit down.
द्रौपदी के भेजो।
Call, send Draupadi.
चल पड़ी।
Draupadi started to work.
आकर के बोले, संत
Draupadi
महात्मा, आइए, हमारे
came and said, Sant Mahatma, come.
में भोजन प्रसाद ग्रहण कीजिए।
Beautiful prasad is cooked for you.
महात्मा बोले,
Sant Mahatma said,
मैं तो अभी तो भीम आया था ना।
just Bhim came, I told him my needs.
मुझे कितना दक्षिणा
I
चाहिए?
told my donation is that I want 1,000
1000।
Ashwamedh Yagya's fruits I want.
द्रौपदी हंसने लगी।
Draupadi started to laugh. She said, Sant Mahatma,
आप भूल गए
you forgot.
रामायण के वचन, आप भूल गए।
You forgot what you said in Ramayana.
के चलिए, तजो अभिमान।
Devoid of ego, if you walk to meet a sadhu, each step you take is equal to zillions of sire sacrifice. The fruits you will get. Draupadi said, Sant Mahatma, listen. I am a princess. I am a daughter of a king.
मैं राजगुरु द्रौपदी
I am from the family of kings. I am not ordinary. I am the
पत्नी हूँ
queen here. I am the wife of Yudhishthir.
और मैं सारे
And devoid of ego, I walked here towards you. To meet you, I came barefoot. Devoid of my ego. You tell me.
संत मिलन के चलिए।
That's why they said, devoid of ego, if you walk to meet a sadhu, each step is equal to zillions of fire sacrifice. She did not wear any slippers. She came barefoot.
20-25-30 कदम तो मैं चल कर
At least 30 steps I took, right? To meet you here. So how many fruits? One step, second step, how many?
करोड़ सैकड़ों
Uncountable, zillions, trillions.
10,400 की वृद्धि क्या है?
What is 10,000 fire sacrifice? Nothing in front of it.
ये महाराज
Come. So Sant Mahatma became quiet. Draupadi,
बुद्धिमान
you are very intelligent. People say women are not knowledgeable. But see, our Draupadi, so intelligent. Actually, women are so intelligent. She defeated Sant Mahatma actually with her knowledge. See?
तब संत महात्मा
So,
आगे,
Sant Mahatma came.
जब आगे
And when Sant Mahatma came and Draupadi,
लड्डू कचौड़ी मिठाइयाँ
she cooked laddu, kachori, all the sweets, everything she cooked
ठाकुर जी के भोग
and offered to Thakurji.
संत महात्मा के
And
थाली की परोस
she served the plate of Sant Mahatma, and Sant Mahatma he sat down to eat.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthira Maharaj was still looking at the bell.
हो जाए
When Sant Mahatma will eat, this bell will ring and my event will be successful.
दक्षिणा तो पहले ही दे दिया ना।
Before he gave donation already, right? Draupadi gave the donation already. He was seeking the fruits of 1,000 Ashwamedh Yagya, but he got a lot of fruits. Anyways,
महात्मा भोजन करने
Sant
लगे।
Mahatma was doing both food.
युधिष्ठिर महाराज का
Yudhishthira Maharaj said,
कृष्ण के पूछने लगे, हे भगवान आप बताइए संत महात्मा
he asked,
भोजन तो कर लिया।
oh, Sant Mahatma ate food also. But why is this bell still not ringing? God said, Yudhishthir,
संत महात्मा
when Sant Mahatma was eating,
तुम्हारे मन में कुछ
any doubt came in your heart or not?
युधिष्ठिर
What was the thought Yudhishthir said?
देखो
Look, yes, something came, thought came. Two things you should never hide from Guru and God. You should never hide anything from them. In material world, in front of parents and
डॉक्टर के निकाल
in front of doctor. Never hide anything from them.
जैसे किसी जैसे हम उदाहरण
Like for example is coming is someone has
पोषण में
in private part someone has some infection or a disease.
डॉक्टर के नहीं दिखा
If you don't show it to doctor and not tell openly, how will the doctor treat it? True or not?
माता पिता के भी बोलना भी चाहिए
You have to tell the parents also.
ये बहुत ही गलती है
This materially and in spiritual life,
दोनों के निकाल
in front of Guru
गुरु के निकाल
and in front of God, never hide anything from them.
प्रार्थना करो
Pray to God.
गोपीनाथ मम
Oh dear Gopinath, listen to my heartfelt request.
अमी विषय
Absorbed in material life, always doing sins. I have no qualities. Oh dear Gopinath, dear God, please pray to him. Oh Gopinath, please listen to my prayer. What's the prayer? Vishay Durjan. I'm completely materialistic.
मेरा कोई गुण नहीं है
No qualities.
गुण नहीं हूँ
I am a bad person. I'm not a good person.
मेरा कोई गुण नहीं
I have no qualities.
क्रोध आदि
Full of anger, lust, everything is full in my heart. Pray to God. God will listen.
दूसरी क्या है
Second is in front of Guru. Never lie, never hide anything. This is spiritual teaching. Anyways,
उसी प्रकार
in the same way,
युधिष्ठिर
Yudhishthir
महाराज
Maharaj,
कहने लगे तुम कुछ
God asked to Yudhishthir Maharaj,
जब भोजन कर रहे
when
थे
Sant Mahatma was eating,
कुछ कैसे
any doubt came in your heart?
उस समय युधिष्ठिर महाराज कहने लगे
Yudhishthir Maharaj said yes.
क्या बताओ
What happened?
युधिष्ठिर महाराज कहने लगे
Yudhishthir said,
महात्मा जब भोजन
when
कर
Sant
रहे
Mahatma was eating,
थे, वो संत महाराज जितने भी
all the laddu kachori, all the food that he took, everything he mixed. Sweet, salty, everything he mixed and he's making balls and eating it. So a thought came in my mind, this Santa Mahatma is not high class saint actually.
खानदान के घर से नहीं
He's not from a proper family, I thought.
PhD
MA, PhD, though they're not coming from good family, I thought. He's just like a ordinary Santa Mahatma from poor class family.
क्योंकि देखो इतने लड्डू
Because so many delicacies, laddu, kachori, many vegetables, at least he could check one by one, how is this laddu, how is this sweet, how is this thing. See, everybody ate.
आप लोग संत महात्मा है कि नहीं है?
Sant Mahatma is here, and you all are Sant Mahatma. Try it, taste how this is. Yudhishthir Maharaj said, laddu kachori, how is this?
चाखो सब
Everybody test.
ये चाखा ही नहीं है
And you're not tasting this.
कौन सा क्या की
And Sant Mahatma,
परमात्मा समझ करके सब
Sant Mahatma mixed everything and eat. Gave to everyone.
देखो
See,
लो भाई
everybody take, everybody take.
सुनो
Listen,
ये कोई ऐसे चलते फिरते संत
he's an ordinary Sant
अरे
Mahatma.
अच्छी तरह से खानदान के घर के होते
If he had been from a good family,
के देखते
he would have tasted.
कैसे है मिठास कैसे
Not how is the sweetness, how is the taste.
देखो
Look,
भगवान कहने लगे
God said,
हे युधिष्ठिर महाराज
Yudhishthir Maharaj,
तुम्हारा क्या हो
you
गया
have committed offense in the lotus feet of this saint.
हरि के जो भजे सो
Those who are serving Hari,
वही अच्छी तरह से
they belong to Hari. Listen to carefully.
जो हरि के भजे
Those who are worshipping Hari, they belong to Hari.
जात पात
You should never consider his caste, family, anything.
महात्मा होते हैं ना
Sant Mahatmas,
तो महात्मा के कभी जात पात पूछो मत
never ask what caste is them. What is their caste? Rupa Sanatan
कुल में जन्म
took birth in Brahman family.
वृंदावन में कैसे रहते
In Vrindavan they stayed in a one piece of cloth, langoti. See, I have watch also, everything, clothes also, turban also,
गले भी माला भी
mala, garland also. Rup Sanatan was not like this.
है वृंदावन में
In Vrindavan,
धूल मिट्टी से बाल गड़ा भी
covered with the dust of Vrindavan, the full body.
ऐसे रह सकते हैं
Can we say like this?
और आपके घर में धूल मिट्टी बन के आते
If dust come little bit, if I brought dust in your house, then you would have kicked me out. Oh, this is mad person
इसलिए हमें भी घोड़ी
bringing dust. So I have to dress up nicely, wear watch, everything. I have to dress up very nicely. True, right?
ऐसे
Depending on the place, you have to dress up. This is Hindi proverb. In Siberia, if you go, if you wear like this, in one day you will directly go to Vaikuntha.
उसमें भी अच्छी कपड़ा पहनने पड़ते
You have to dress up like coat, jackets for warmth. Otherwise, you will become Rup Sanatan just to wear one piece of cloth on the bottom and then you go. They won't even let you board the flight if you go like this. Second is, anyhow you go. And they will think, oh, this person, mad person come from India. They will deboard you from their country.
इसलिए कहते हैं देखो
What is that thing? What I'm saying is this is about India. Sadhu Santam.
इसलिए संत भगवान
So God is saying,
युधिष्ठिर तुम संत
Yudhishthir, you have committed offense in the lotus feet of Santa Mahatma.
महात्मा कोई
Santa Mahatma, you should never judge their caste, family, anything.
जो हरि के भजे सो हरि का होई
Those who serve to Shri Hari, they belong to Hari.
जो गुरु मंत्र ले लेते हैं
Those who receive Guru Mantra, Diksha Mantra,
उसके कौन सा गोत्र होता है
they belong to which Gotra?
अच्युत
Achyuta
गोत्र
Gotra.
आपके गोत्र क्या है
What is your Gotra? What is your Gotra? She's saying Jindal.
आपके गोत्र
What is your?
बोले जो गुरु मंत्र ले लेते हैं ना
Those who receive Guru Mantra, Harinam, Diksha Mantra,
गोत्र नहीं होता है
they don't need any other Gotra.
एक गोत्र होता
They belong to one Gotra. Which one?
Achyuta Gotra.
Achyut Gotra ki jai.
है समझ में आ रही है
Understand or not? Now you are which Gotra? Achyuta. Achyut means the Krishnas. We all belong to Krishna. Achyut Gotra. For this regard, God said, Yudhishthir, you have committed an offense. Go and apologize to him. Yudhishthir Maharaj, he came and he apologized to Sant Mahatma. He gave pranams, and then still the bell wasn't ringing. Then he again you feed Sant Mahatma. Then Draupadi prepared a plate again. She cooked again, and Draupadi prepared plate for Sant Mahatma. Then Sant Mahatma again he mixed everything, all the delicacies he made balls, and he started to eat. When Sant Mahatma was eating, after eating, the bell started to ring automatically. See, at the end, Yudhishthir Maharaj, he asked one question to Sant Mahatma. You tell me, Draupadi very beautifully, she cooked many things. Many things she cooked. But why did you mix everything in it? Sant Mahatma said, look, this is Mahaprasad. This is, when you offer it to God, it becomes Mahaprasad. When we eat Mahaprasad, what do you say? So this is the kirtan that is offered to God. Laddu, kachori, rice, dal, it's not any dish now. This is now Mahaprasad. Not dal, it's not rice, it is Mahaprasad. Sant Mahatma also explained Draupadi herself, she cooked. Lakshmi. She cooked by her own hands and offered to Thakurji. Thakurji ate. This is not dal chawal. I was like, this is all is remnants of God. It's full of prem. If you cook with prem, then Thakurji he eats everything. In Braj there is a kirtan. Some people say God he does not eat. Yeah, oh, you don't cook like Draupadi did. Some people say God he Krishna does not sleep. You do not make him sleep like Mother Yashoda did. And some people say Thakurji doesn't dance. You don't make him dance as like gopis. The Braj Kirtan. Some people say Krishna he does not come. You don't call him like gopis call out to him. Call him, close your eyes and chant with me. He will come. Govinda came or not? You did not close your eyes. Why? Everybody close your eyes. Now you open your eyes. Govinda is search for Govinda. Open the doors and check. See, there is Govinda. What's the name? Raseshwari. See? Raseshwari. The queen of Rasa is here. See? Ashtasakhis all are here serving. Lalita, Vishaka, Sudevi, Ranga, Devi, Suchitra, all of them. All the Sakhis are here. They are serving.
आनंद सबके जत चामर दुलार माधव पर सारे से आके